Well guys, we're in the car. We're pulling into Up Garage pretty much right now. I've got the old inky wheels for my car, the 17s, in the front and back seat. And we're gonna go up and I'm gonna pull off my Volk CE28s right now. I talked to Eric and Doug. They're getting ready to do the V-cam. And we're gonna bring these into Discount Tire, get them matched up to the LMGT4s. All right, we're on our way out. GTR's in the bay. They're working on the V-cam today. They're the old Volk CE28s in the trunk. They're about to mount the NISMO LMGT4s. So pumped right now. LMGT4s are getting some tires on them. I'm at Discount. I'm gonna go back to Up Garage tomorrow and I'm gonna get them installed. They look freaking sick. So I'm just trying to remove the little scratches that are in the surface. I'm not sure if you guys can see those right there. Yeah, it looks like the light's picking them up. So these are from mounting today. So I had them really take their time, but there's no way to really perfectly get wheels mounted to tires without getting any type of scratches on them. So I'm gonna polish all this off. I'm gonna put some wax on it, and then I'm gonna put some sealant on it. This is the worst wheel out of all of them. So I'll probably go like 3-4 passes over it and get them all protected, and then we'll get them put on the car in the morning going back to Up Garage. So put you guys on a time lapse. This isn't too exciting, but these are sexy and I want to keep them that way. I'm just using my Griot's Garage little 3-inch polisher and some correcting cream. First wheel is done over there. Turned out great. I've got this one plus these two to go. And this is just for comparison on the CE28s that you guys can see here. The curling doesn't have the little grooves in there, so they are not quite as advanced in anti-slip for the tire on there is the NISMO wheels. Alright guys, it has been 2 hours of polishing for me in the garage. Well, I'm just out here chilling, having a drink. Enjoying myself in the garage like a good boy should, and as you guys can see, my polishing pad has got its butt kicked. It's all nice and black, so you can see it's done a good job and it's worked good. So now you guys can see how flawless the wheels are. I've got every little imperfection polished out of them. They look absolutely fantastic and incredible and sexy as fuck. And I'm having a pretty strong feeling that because these say NISMO on them, that they're gonna give me more horsepower, baby. That's right, NISMO gives you more horsepower. So I'm pretty excited about these. These look good. And as you guys can see, it's pretty dark outside. It's like midnight right now. I'm trying to get this finished so I can make it to up garage in the morning. And you can see the wheels are perfectly polished. They look fantastic. They're sparkling like brand new. You can't tell that there's any signs from the tires being mounted to them. And that's what I'm looking for. I'm trying to preserve that beautifulness. So I've got my foam pad. I've got my Best to Show wax. I'm going to apply this to all 4 wheels and let it cure overnight. Here we go. I love the smell of this stuff. It smells good. It smells like candy. I let the wax dry overnight so the polymers could fully cure and adhere and get a really strong bond to the paint surface. And you can see this haze. It's been taking me about 30 minutes to buff off the polish or wax off of each wheel. So I'm gonna bring this inside, do it in my living room because I'm watching Julia, my 4-year-old today, and cleaning the house and playing dad while I'm working on my projects. Still buffing this one, but this is just to give you guys an idea. After polishing and waxing, this is what you guys can expect. So these are pretty much flawless. Really reflective. The only thing I could have done to get them any better would be like to cut them with 2500 grit sandpaper before polishing them. I could have got the little bit of, there's like a little bit of like texture-ish to the clear coat from the paint. Can't think of what that's called right now for some reason. Orange peel. I could have got the orange peel out. But these look fantastic. See the detail of the engraving in the NISMO. Final step is just polishing the final sealant off. And I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And when you're done, it should look something like this. Look at the shine on these. anyway, guys, I appreciate you guys watching the video, getting these LMGT4s all polished and detailed and all looking really good. Hope you enjoyed watching the video. These are a beautiful wheel. I can't wait to get them fitted to the car. And I'm going to end today's video here just because I shot so much content at Up Garage actually installing these today. Doug let me and Eric let me kind of tour around the shop and get a few shots. So if you guys are curious to see what Up Garage is about, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and have some fun with me in the future with that content. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. It definitely helps the channel and I appreciate the support. Anyway, guys, I will catch you guys later on the next video. Thanks for watching.